Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. I hope everyone is doing well. You guys, I hit the jackpot. I hit the jackpot, you guys. So I want to send a shout out to uh, JG3F Farms. I think I'm getting it right. You know who you is, brother. We've been rocking together for some years now. I want to send a big shout out and a thank you to him because he did a video on him catching the Tractor Supply sale. And I went in there and I did leave him a message to tell him I'm going over there. And I went over there, you guys, and I'm so happy that I did because I used to be in Tractor Supply at least once a week for many years with my chicken feed and all that other kind of stuff. But I kind of slowed down in some areas when it comes to homesteading. And JD did a video on how he went into Tractor Supplies and he hit the jackpot with some plum trees. So I decided, okay, let me give them a go. So I went over there the other day, and I'm glad I circled around and I circled around because they're not keeping in my zone 8A area. They're not keeping the fruit trees in the front of the entrance area anymore. Ours have built this giant greenhouse, so they had these tucked away, and they had others tucked away too. So when it came to the plum trees, these was the last four. So I know the elder that works there, oh Mr. G, he's such a sweet guy. He's helped me bring home the cattle panels several times. He's just a sweet old man that's still working in his elder age. And I asked him about the plum trees. Four left. They were at 25% off. So according to the label here, they were $39.99, and then they had them for 25% off. So they ranged up at $35.99, and then I got an additional 50% off. So listen, y'all. When I tell you, I was so excited. Hey, brother JG. Lucky 4 is our number. The lucky 4 is our number. So I got them for 50% off. So it had dropped them down to $17.49. And listen, y'all talking about ecstatic. This y'all know this is right up my alley because y'all know how I like the coupon, and I do everything in my power. I refuse to pay full price for pretty much anything. And as time is going on and everybody's dealing with the inflation struggle, we better look for as many deals as we possibly can. Listen, I'm so happy with this deal, and they was waiting for me. So you guys, this is, let's talk about this plum tree. This is a Santa Rosa, yes, a Santa Rosa plum tree. I should have took my tag down so you can actually see them, but I need to leave my tags on because y'all know I'm real bad with tags on my trees. So I think what I'm gonna do is take them off, and then I'm gonna laminate them, and then I'm gonna put them back on because all my trees lost their tag, especially that little plastic one up here. And I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna laminate mine. I know Uncle Ed and what's the other family that in Louisiana? Oh gosh, Grove Family Network. They did the same thing that Uncle Ed did, where they scribbled it on a piece of can, so they'll know the name of their tree, which is a brilliant idea. I probably need to do that. That probably lasts for a long time outside of having to laminate the tag. But back to the deal, you guys. So let me tell you what Tractor Supply had in there. And again, they had these tucked away. They had calamondins, they had tangerines, and when I tell you they were stacked with them, and they had them tucked away. So the tangerines is actually, I think right now they at $69.99, and these are very, very mature trees. I can't really tell you how old these trees are, but these are mature trees. So I'm hoping by my second year, or even possibly my first year, I'll have some fruit. Now, I'm not too sure about the propagation of the Santa Rosa plum, so I'm going to look into propagating. If you guys are out there propagating, I know everybody's doing a lot of figs. fig trees. But if you are familiar with the propagation and the likelihood of this being a success, make sure you comment below. But I'm definitely going to do some research on propagating this tree and how successful these are when you propagate them, okay? I know you could pretty much propagate anything, but I just want to make sure that if I did try it, that I have a success. Like I see fig people with fig trees, they literally started farms with fig trees. Like that's supposed to be like the easiest tree that you could propagate from what I'm seeing on the internet. So, okay, so what I'm going to do with Tractor Supply, since I haven't been going in there like once a week like I used to, I'm going to be going in there once a week for the next probably the next 2 months to see if I can catch them daggone tangerines and them condomandas on sale. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to talk to the cashier or Mr. D, and Mr. D probably going to say, I'll get them down to 50% for you just like he did these. So, you guys, when I tell y'all, I'm so excited about this deal. I'm telling you, I'm very, very excited. So, you guys, take a chance. Get to your Tractor Supply. Make sure you scan each aisle. Go in the areas where they like to tuck things, where you least expect a fruit tree to be, because they might be there. And you may have the same luck that me and Brother Farms did. So yeah, you guys. So I got 4, and I got 4 for $69.96. Thank you, brother. I scored, so I wanted to do this video and shout out our brother. So I scored, and I hope you guys scored too. All right. So, and don't focus on your town. Go to other Tractor Supplies and see if you can catch it, because I said to myself, I said, if they don't have them, I'm going to go over to my next 2 towns and see if I can find them. So I got real lucky, you guys, and I got 4. So I'm super excited about that, and I wanted to share that video with you guys. So get out there and see if you can find you some plum trees, all right? This is SEK the Homesteader. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.